Welcome back to the deep dive. For years, there's been this gap in physical retail, right? You've got these amazing visual experiences, but connecting them to real, measurable customer engagement. That's been tough. You pour resources into stunning displays, but then you're left wondering, are they actually driving sales? Is there a clear ROI? That's kind of been the unspoken challenge, until now. So today, our mission is to unpack this. How can Vestel's incredible displays become truly interactive experiences? And crucially, how can you get measurable ROI from them? Because the initial problem, as many of you know, was always the complexity. Adding real interactivity often meant, well, a lot of hassle, complicated cabling, messing with fixtures, tricky sensor workarounds, and actually getting audience insights, proving that ROI, often felt impossible.
So retailers put out these fantastic displays, but they couldn't easily prove they were working. That's what's really interesting here, bridging that gap. It feels like bringing that sort of e-commerce data mindset into the physical store.
Exactly. And this is where the SignMetrix plus Vestel solution really changes things. It's surprisingly straightforward. You basically just install the SignMetrix app. It's an APK, an Android application package, directly onto the Vestel display itself. No extra boxes needed. It uses the display's own system. And bam! You instantly create this huge interactive zone around it. We're talking 20,000 square feet.
20,000? That's quite an area.
It is. It works seamlessly with wireless smart tags, the little tags on products, and soft tags, which are like virtual zones on the screen content, plus people counting sensors. It all works together to trigger the right content automatically. And maybe most importantly, it collects detailed analytics in real time.
Okay, so connecting the dots.
Yeah.
This makes those great Vestel displays interactive and measurable without all the usual hardware headaches. But, installing an app across potentially hundreds of displays, security is always a question. How's that handled? Data integrity.
That's a fair question, and yet it's top of mind. The SignMetrix app uses strong security protocols. Data is encrypted, both moving and stored. Communication with the cloud dashboard is secure. Standard stuff, but robust. It's designed to be plug and play. And it scales. One display, or 1,000 plus, all under the same subscription model. So for businesses, it's not just pretty pictures anymore. The displays become smart. You track key things: dwell time, ad reach, conversions, your overall ROI. It enables those really engaging lift and learn experiences customers like.
Lift and learn, right. Pick up a product, see info instantly.
Exactly. And you measure that engagement, see what's effective in real time. So you can really optimize your campaigns, your store layout, everything.
That level of insight is powerful. And scaling this, you mentioned 1 to 1,000 plus displays across a whole chain maybe. Is that genuinely straightforward for a brand that's growing?
It really is designed for that. The scalability is solid, all under one subscription. All that real-time data flows straight into the SignMetrix cloud dashboard, securely, of course. And in that dashboard, you get all the reports you'd expect. Audience numbers, clear ROI visualizations, customer journey mapping, the works. It fits right in with existing Vestel setups too. The onboarding's simple. Download the app, deploy it to the display, and you start seeing analytics pretty much immediately. So just to recap quickly, the bottom line is Vestel's stunning displays plus SignMetrix equals immersive visuals with crucial measurable insights. Key things setting it apart. No extra wiring needed, you get real-time analytics, there's that AI insights engine, and it's super scalable on a subscription basis. It really brings data-driven decisions to the physical floor. So if you've been looking for a way to properly connect that physical digital retail experience and actually get feedback on what's working in store, this could be what you've been waiting for. To learn more about the SignMetrix for a Vestel solution, or maybe get your hands on a demo kit, just visit signmetrix.com.